Hi, I'm Maureen Summers, and this is The Right Way with Well and Good. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to do an Arnold press, which, by the way, is named after Arnold Schwarzenegger. The Arnold press is a great way to get some upper body, shoulder strength going, and like always, we have to use our cores. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 most common mistakes that we see people do wrong with the Arnold press. So, first, we like to see people lifting the weights and pressing them in front of our bodies. That is not efficient and does not feel good for the shoulders. Second is we see people kind of swing the weights up with a ton of momentum. That's also not good for strength. We want a lot of control. The third thing that we see when people do shoulder press, or specifically the Arnold press, is that we don't use our cores. That does not feel good and it kind of hurts. So those were not right. They didn't feel good. Let's do it the right way. So for Arnold press, hands in front of my face, shoulders in line with the ears. As you can see, you can't see my ears anymore. Slowly bring the weight down, bring it back up. As you can see, my core is strong, not flared out. That doesn't feel good. Hold that belly strong. And then lastly, no momentum. Really slow, with a lot of control. That's the right way. Now you're doing it the right way. For more right ways, subscribe to Well and Good.